Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable auto backup in the Viber app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the More option. This will open up additional menu options within Viber that you might not see on the main screen. It's your gateway to accessing all the deeper settings and features of the app. Once you've tapped More, you'll see several options appear. From here, tap on Settings. This section contains all the customization and configuration options for your Viber account, allowing you to control how the app behaves and what features are active. Inside the Settings menu, you'll need to locate and tap on Account. This section specifically handles everything related to your Viber account management, including privacy settings, phone number details, and importantly, your backup preferences. It's where you can control how your data is stored and managed. Now, within the Account section, tap on Viber Backup. This feature is crucial because it determines whether your chat history, media, and other important data get saved automatically. Having backups enabled means you won't lose your conversations if you switch devices or accidentally delete the app. Next, tap on Auto Backup. This is where you'll control the frequency of your automatic backups. Viber gives you flexibility here to choose how often your data gets saved, which is helpful if you want to balance between having recent backups and not using too much storage space. You'll now see several frequency options appear. Choose between daily, weekly, or monthly depending on your preference. If you chat frequently and want to ensure minimal data loss, daily might be your best option. If you don't use Viber as often, weekly or monthly could work just fine. Select the option that best fits your usage pattern. And just like that, you've now enabled auto backup for your Viber account. Your chats and media will now be backed up automatically according to the schedule you just selected, giving you peace of mind that your conversations are safe. Now, if you ever want to disable auto backup, the process is just as simple. Tap on auto backup again to access the same frequency options you saw earlier. Then, from the list of options, tap on off. This will completely disable the automatic backup feature, meaning Viber won't save your data unless you manually trigger a backup yourself. Keep in mind that turning this off puts your chat history at risk if something happens to your device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to enable and disable auto backup in Viber, giving you complete control over how your chat data is preserved. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.